Alright, so it is official. It looks like the Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagined is gonna restock next week. And let me tell you something, bro. Nike would not do this if they wasn't gonna do it. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to know and how to be on the lookout to give yourself the best chance to cop these when they do restock. Now, here's what you need to pay attention to. Here's one thing to look out for. These might not restock on sneakers, right? These might restock like the Pandas restock, which is gonna be on Nike. And if it's on Nike, then my people with unverified accounts, with SMS accounts that are not verified, you're gonna have action at going for this shoe, because ultimately, like I always preach, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it at all to you, bro. In order to hit on the sneakers app, especially on a shoe in demand like this, it's almost as if you have to run several accounts. So if it is gonna be like that, man, make sure you're getting activity on your Nike accounts. Make sure you're maybe at the Nike store or the Nike outlet. You're buying things so that you don't get filtered out as a bot. So I want to go over the current resale on this shoe. So if you're not aware of this shoe already, bro, this was probably the biggest release in 2022, and it was huge for a couple of reasons. Number one, you got the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Legacy, right? This is one of the most popular colorways, one of the most iconic shoes, period. The last time they had released this colorway in a Jordan 1 was 2015, and then of course with the Last Dance coming out, it just completely like took the resale price of that shoe to the next level. Rumors of this shoe started, and then boom, we eventually got this shoe, and ever since then the resale price has been pretty sturdy. Now ever since it released, I would say it's been around the 450 to 500 range as far as the value, and a restock might hurt that. Now, one thing we heard about when this shoe came out was that there was supposed to be 500,000 pairs of these, right? But when they released, it didn't really feel like that it was that many pairs circulating, right? And that also goes to show the demand of this shoe. So with them saying that they're gonna do a restock, that completely makes sense, because it did not feel like all the pairs got out, right? So it features all this cool stuff. It's supposed to be modeled after like an old shoe, and so that's sort of how it got the Lost and Found nickname. Now I also actually wouldn't be surprised if they sort of like drip feed these, kind of like they do the Pandas, and just restock them often or over time. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Rico Cooks, we are growing. Rico Cooks is my group for beginner resellers, where we taking beginners and getting them graduated to the expert reseller level, man. Let me know what y'all think about this restock in the comments, and you know I'm gonna keep you updated. Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's get it.